Welcome back to Lens Loop, your go-to spot for everything cameras, gear, and the future of creative technology. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting topics of the year, DJI's 2025 camera lineup. And trust us, this is not your average upgrade cycle. DJI is stepping far beyond drones, doubling down on innovation, and delivering a set of tools designed for all kinds of creators. This lineup isn't just about small improvements. It's about pushing boundaries. We're talking about cameras that fit in your pocket but shoot like a pro rig, a compact foldable design for everyday content creators, a 360 degrees beast built for immersive adventures, an action camera that could give GoPro a real run for its money. And then, of course, there's the crown jewel, rumors of DJI's very first full-frame mirrorless camera. If the leaks are accurate, this could be one of the most disruptive launches in years, shaking up an industry dominated by brands like Sony and Canon. Stick with us as we break down every camera, one by one, and uncover what makes this lineup so special. Number 5, DJI Osmo Pocket 4. Kicking things off is the Osmo Pocket 4, a pocket-sized device that brings professional power to the palm of your hand. It's built around a 1.3-inch sensor, capable of capturing sharp 4K video at 60 frames per second and 48 MP stills with striking clarity. A 3-axis gimbal ensures buttery smooth shots, even when you're filming while walking or traveling. DJI has also upgraded the processor, which means better HDR performance and smarter light handling. Highlights and shadows now blend seamlessly, giving your footage a cinematic look. What sets the Pocket 4 apart is its versatility. It comes with 10-bit D-Log-M support, giving you more headroom for color grading. Creative options like Active Track 5.0 Motion Lapse and Dolly Zoom allow you to achieve advanced effects without carrying extra equipment. Add in a vibrant touchscreen, USB-C connectivity, directional audio, and improved built-in mics, and you got an ultra-compact but highly capable filmmaking tool. For vloggers, travelers, or casual creators, the Pocket 4 strikes a rare balance between portability and professional quality. Number 4, DJI Osmo 360. Next up is the Osmo 360, DJI's entry into immersive capture. Designed for adventure seekers and storytellers, it uses dual fisheye lenses to shoot full 360 degrees video up to 5.7K at 30 frames per second, with the option of 4K at 60 frames per second for smoother playback. While most 360 cameras rely only on digital stabilization, the Osmo 360 includes a mechanical 3-axis gimbal, giving it a huge advantage when it comes to action shots like biking, hiking, or running. DJI's auto-stitching system makes it easier than ever to preview and share content without spending hours in post-production. Combined with HDR color science, the footage pops with vivid highlights and deep shadow detail. Intelligent tools like Active Track 2.0 and Auto Pan give you flexibility for framing subjects in a 360-degree scene. And with its foldable design, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, USB-C support, and splash resistance, it's portable enough to take anywhere. Whether you're creating VR content, immersive travel diaries, or experimental projects, the Osmo 360 is a sleek and practical solution. Number 3, DJI Osmo Nano. For creators who prize portability, the Osmo Nano stands out. Built around a 1/1.3-inch sensor, it delivers sharp 4K video and 12 MP photos in body that folds neatly into your pocket. Despite its size, it still features a 3-axis gimbal, ensuring rock-steady footage no matter how hectic the environment gets. HDR support and smart exposure settings help you tackle difficult lighting with ease. But what makes the Nano truly shine are its smart controls. Features like gesture recognition, voice commands, and auto-framing with Active Track make it perfect for solo creators. It's equipped with popular modes like time-lapse, motion-lapse, and panoramas, giving you creative range without extra gear. A 2.5-hour battery life, fast charging, and seamless Bluetooth/Wi-Fi connectivity mean you can shoot, edit, and share on the go through the DJI Fly app. It's an ideal choice for spontaneous vloggers, travel creators, or anyone who values convenience without giving up image quality. Number 2, DJI Osmo Action 6. The Osmo Action 6 is shaping up to be a major contender in the action camera market. Based on recent regulatory filings, It looks like DJI is preparing for an early 2025 release. Rumors suggest two battery options will be available. One optimized for portability, the other for extended sessions. Connectivity takes a leap forward with Bluetooth 5.1 and dual-band Wi-Fi, providing faster, more stable connections for wireless transfers and live streaming. The Action 6 is also expected to deliver better low-light performance, improved stabilization, and higher resolution capture. Three areas where action cameras often struggle. These upgrades will make it more versatile for users shooting extreme sports, fast-paced events, or night scenes. If DJI manages to nail the balance of size, durability, and advanced features, the Osmo Action 6 could stand toe-to-toe with GoPro's top models. Number 1. DJI Mirrorless Camera. Rumored, Ronin Mirrorless. Finally, the most exciting rumor, DJI's entry into the mirrorless camera market, dubbed by some as the Ronin Mirrorless. This camera could completely change the game. Reports suggest it will feature a 45MP full-frame sensor, possibly co-developed with Hasselblad, producing stunning detail while keeping file sizes manageable. AI-assisted processing could upscale photos to near 96MP clarity, giving professionals more flexibility. For video, it may offer 4K at 120 frames per second with Apple ProRes RAW support, a huge draw for filmmakers looking for cinematic slow motion and post-production control. What's truly groundbreaking, though, is the potential for 4-axis in-body stabilization, leveraging DJI's gimbal expertise for incredibly smooth handheld shooting. Other leaked features include real-time AI autofocus and tracking for people, animals, and vehicles, a modular lens system, a modern touchscreen interface, 512 gigabytes of built-in storage, and deep integration with DJI's existing ecosystem. If all of this proves accurate, DJI is poised to rival heavyweights like Sony, Canon, and Panasonic with a bold innovation-first approach. And that's our breakdown of DJI's 2025 camera lineup. From the portable genius of the Osmo Pocket 4, to the all-around flexibility of the Osmo Nano, to the fully immersive Osmo 360, DJI is showing just how far it's willing to expand beyond drones. Add the rumored Osmo Action 6, and DJI looks ready to claim serious ground in the action cam world. And of course, the whispers of a full-frame mirrorless camera, if true, could be the boldest step DJI has ever taken. What stands out most is how DJI is diversifying. They're not just aiming at one type of creator, they're addressing vloggers, adventurers, filmmakers, and professionals alike. Each product seems to solve real-world challenges, whether it's stabilization, portability, or post-production flexibility. So now the question is, which of these cameras excites you most? Are you waiting for the Osmo Pocket 4's compact brilliance? Curious about the 360-degree storytelling possibilities? Or holding out for that groundbreaking mirrorless? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this breakdown, give a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to Lens Loop for more deep dives, reviews, and coverage of the world's most innovative gear.